Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. Today, I will teach you how to add arm movements to the basic steps of bachata. So, let's get started. Let's start by reviewing the basic steps to the sides and forward. Then, we'll incorporate simple arm movements that go well with these steps. These arm movements are easy to follow and enhance the overall motion. So, let's practice the basic steps. And now for the forward motion. Now, let's combine these steps with the arm movements. So we go. If you're doing these basic steps in one spot, feel free to move your arms however you like. But when moving forward, it is generally not customary to include arm movements, unless of course you're dancing with a partner. In that case, you can synchronize your arm movements with your partner's. When stepping to the sides, raise your right arm when moving to the right and your left arm when moving to the left. Now, let's explore the steps that involve crossing in front. One arm can go like this. And now with the left arm. You can also do it with both arms, like this. When dancing as a couple, there are more chances to use your arms. It looks stunning when a woman knows how to incorporate arm movements to bachata. It can be as simple as extending your arm and then gracefully raising it over your head like this. During turns, you have different options for your arms. You can place them here or keep them close to your body. Another option is to extend them in front, like this. You can also keep them close to your body. And you can also do like this. In all of these steps, allow your arms to move naturally, gracefully caressing your body and extending outward. They can return, move in and out from the center, or even go behind you, like this. Okay, so now let's create a short sequence of steps and then we'll add some music to dance to. Let's review the basics. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope today's tutorial has been helpful. And remember to like or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!